Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2215 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the right, as you enter the room, we have the master light switch for the room together with the do not disturb switch. Here, we have the ironing board together with the iron above and a bit of storage right at the top. Here, we have the wardrobe area with the in-room slippers below, bathrobes, hangers, and storage right at the top. We have a torchlight to the right of the wardrobe. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the entrance to the bathroom. And on the sliding bathroom door, we have a mirror. Hello? Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. And as we enter the bathroom, we have the toilet to the left with an extra toilet roll right there. One right there to use. We have hooks right above. And here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. There we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel bottles and the controls for the shower. Towel right there, more towels right there. There's a bin, that's the hairdryer. And on the sink area, to the left we have a couple of glasses, a power outlet, a shaving mirror, more mirrors around the sink area. And there we have all the bathroom amenities inside the box as well. The bathroom amenities. We have towels right above, a box of tissues. And here we have the bathtub with the bath mat. And we can look into the bedroom from the bathroom. Down there we have storage together with the weighing scale, a place to put luggage, together with a drawer that houses the laundry stuff, in-room safe, which is locked. Down here we have storage together with the kettle. Here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you can still put your own items in there. And I'm not too sure whether it's the same for everyone, but as a Platinum Elite member of Marriott Bonvoy, I do get a free minibar for, I believe, the first round. Right here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff, some snacks, glasses and mugs. And right up here we have the coffee machine, coffee pods, bottles of water, power outlet right there, and a light right above. There's more storage right up there. Here we have a flat screen LG TV with the bin down below. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the recyclable items on one side and the normal waste on the other side. Here we have the bed. It does look quite comfortable. with the climate control panel right there and a power outlet down below. And if you want more privacy, we can always close this door and lock it. On the left bedside table, we have a drawer together with the TV remote, TV guide, all the various light switches for the room together with a couple of power outlets and a couple of USB-A ports. There's a light right above, and behind the headboard, there's a strip of light as well. On the right bedside table, we have another drawer, another light. We also have writing materials, the in-room telephone, a clock with a wireless charger for your devices. And we also have the usual light switches, USB-A ports and power outlets on the wall. Here we have the sofa area. It is quite big, so you can host a few people in here. We have a table right there, desk area right there with the desk chair, another light. As for the view, I do get the road behind the hotel, all the buildings in the distance. That's Penang Hill. You can see a bit of the sea view. That is Gurney Drive right there. You can see the houses that are next to the hotel as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2215 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.